Hello people, this is Moremi from eMusic School. Today I bring to you a piano lesson about scales and how you can play them quickly in all 12 keys. Back then when I was struggling to transpose, I figured out a very simple trick that would enable me to play all the 12 keys very fast and without so much hassle, by just changing one note in every scale that I was in. This trick revolutionized my playing since then. So today I'm gonna teach you that trick, and I will start in the key of C because it is the most simple. It just has white notes. There's nothing complicated about the scale. You just play everything on that scale. Let's now get to the keyboard. This is the key of C. And whatever I've played, it is now the scale of C. And it has this note C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So now the magic trick is, first of all, before knowing anything else, you have to know the fourth of each and every key you are in. What do I mean by the fourth? Like in the scale of C, when I count from C, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. F is the fourth note of the scale of C. When you're teaching yourself music, it's good and it makes it easy in your practice sessions when you practice going in fourths. Like if it is a scale, I start in the scale of C. The next scale that I need to teach myself will be the scale of F, because F is the fourth of C. The next will be the fourth of F, which is A sharp. I teach myself that scale like that, until I come back to C. But now the hassle is, how do you know all those other scales? And probably you are a beginner or you are used to transposing. So there is a very easy magic trick that you can use to go in all those fourths, and you play each and every scale very easily with minimal thinking and engaging your mind. How do you go about it? Now, as I showed you, this is the scale of C. When I go to the fourth and I play the same scale starting from the fourth, and I chose C because now if I start from the fourth, it is just playing all the white notes from the fourth to the next fourth, which is F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So the magic trick is here. Playing the scale of C starting from the fourth, which is F, starting from F to the next F, you just ask yourself, in the scale of C, which is the seventh note. The scale of C is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So 7 is B. So in the scale of C, 7 is the B. So when I play all the notes in the scale of C starting from F, and this 7 I flatten it, I now get to the next scale, which is F. So it will be, instead of going F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, I'll go F, G, A, then A sharp, then C, D, E, F. Now I'm in the scale of F. Wow, you can see it is the scale of F. If I do the same thing, I go to the fourth of F, which is A sharp, now the new note we got, which is now the fourth, and I play from there all the notes that I've been playing here in the scale of F, the new scale of F, these notes. I just start from the fourth, like that, and I go to the 7th of F, which is E, and I flatten it, I'm now in the scale of B flat. And you have seen I've started from C. I just played the C. I flattened the 7th, started from the 4th, the same notes. I went to the scale of F. I flattened the 7th of F. I went to the scale of B flat, and so on and so forth. I can do that. I go to the scale of E flat. I go to the scale of G sharp, like that. You will find it very easy to play in all the 12 keys without so much hassle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can hit the subscribe button below, and if the video was helpful to you, make sure you like, leave a comment, turn on the notification bar, and bye bye until the next video. Cheers!